Good morning, students. I am Tushar Warde, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya Nasik Road Camp, and today in this session we are going to talk about some key points of lesson from Honeycomb, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. First of all, let me tell you some important facts related with this story. That this story is given in the form of comic strip. The dialogues are given in the form of speech bubbles. Means the characters are given in the form of sketches, and beside them, exactly beside them, the dialogues are given in the form of speech bubbles. So it's a kind of use of direct speech in conveying the dialogues of the characters in the story. This story has a fun element. It's a comic story. The story goes like this. Gopal is the main character of the story, and Gopal is one of the courtiers of King's court, and Gopal is famous for his wit and wisdom. So students, wisdom, this word must be new for you, I think. So wisdom means whenever a person has knowledge and that person is able to apply that knowledge practically while facing or solving the problems of his or her daily life, that quality, that ability is called as wisdom. So WISDOM. Wisdom means whenever we are able to apply our knowledge practically to solve our problems, that quality, that ability is called as wisdom. So Gopal has that quality of wisdom. So this story is funny, and that's why definitely you will have interest in reading this story, and definitely you will enjoy it. So let's go through what are the points and how the story goes. So kids, in those days, in that kingdom, that was the season of Hilsa fish. Hilsa is a kind of fish. So everyone was engaged or only talking about the Hilsa fish. Hilsa fish was popular in that part, in that kingdom. So everyone was only talking about the Hilsa fish everywhere, in marketplaces, in households, even in King's court also. So one day what happened? In royal court, in King's court, courtiers also, they were busy in discussion of Hilsa fish. So King got angry and he scolded his courtiers, saying that, are you courtiers or fishmongers? This is royal court, and in royal court also you are talking about Hilsa fish. So he thinks that I want a place where no one should talk about Hilsa fish. But unfortunately he realizes that this is the season of Hilsa fish and we cannot stop people from talking about Hilsa fish. But Gopal comes forward because some courtiers suggest King that, Sir, Your Majesty, even Gopal also cannot stop people talking about Hilsa fish, because this is Hilsa fish season and everyone likes Hilsa fish so much. Then Gopal comes forward and he accepts this challenge. He accepts the challenge and he says that I accept the challenge that I will buy a Hilsa fish and no one will talk about it. So after accepting the challenge, he goes back to home. And one day he start preparing himself for going to market for buying Hilsa fish. And what was his preparation, students? His preparations were too much strange. Whenever he was preparing, what was he doing? First of all, he half shaved his face. By seeing that, his wife asked him, what are you doing? Have you gone mad? You have shaved your face half only. Half part is shaved. And you are going out to market? Then he told to his wife that, my dear, this is the preparation for going to buy Hilsa fish. After having his face half shaved, next stage, he smears ashes on his face and he starts looking too much strange and funny, and then he starts his journey to market for buying Hilsa fish. So from his home to marketplace, everyone was looking at him. See, the person, he looks so strange. I think he is a mad person. Then from the one of the fish shops, he buys Hilsa fish, and taking that Hilsa fish, he directly moves to royal court, king's court. Whenever he was going there, people were talking about him. See, I think this man has gone crazy. This man has gone mad. He has half shaven his face and he has smeared ashes on his face, and he is going to somewhere. When he reaches to king's palace, at the entrance, king's soldiers, king's guards stopped him. By seeing his strange appearance, no one identifies him. Then all of a sudden he starts singing loudly, and his loud singing was heard by the king inside. Then king ordered his soldiers that let that man be entered into the royal court. As he entered there, then other courtiers identify Gopal as one of the courtiers, and they tell to king, "Your Majesty, this is our Gopal." Huh? Gopal? Why have you shaven your face half, and why have you smeared ashes on your face? Then Gopal starts smiling. It means, "Sir, Majesty, you have forgotten your challenge." Then king was bewildered. What challenge Gopal is talking about? "See, your Majesty, I have bought this Hilsa from the market, and from the market to your royal court, no one asked me about Hilsa fish, and no one talked about the Hilsa fish. And in this way, successfully, I have won your challenge." Then king realizes that whatever challenge was thrown by me at him, he accepted it and successfully completed it. Thank you, students.